Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be installing the theme that I will use for this particular online store. Okay, and because I've looked at the theme, I've seen the size, I'll be installing the theme directly from my control panel. So I'll go back to my control panel dashboard. Now while that is loading, let me just do some quick explanation here. Now if you check your exercise files, you will actually see this particular folder. I'll copy it. So let me just create a new folder here and call it Revo theme. That's the name of the theme I want to use for this particular design. Okay, and I'll paste it here. Now if I right click and I extract this particular folder with WinZip, you will notice that it extracts all the contents of that particular zipped folder. Okay, but I'll be uploading the zipped folder now when I want to do my installation. Before I go to all that, let me go to ThemeForest and just show you what the theme looks like. So I'll be coming to ThemeForest. The name of the theme is Revo, so I will just type Revo. Okay, so this is the theme. Let me do a preview so that you can see what the theme looks like. Now bear in mind that every theme that you buy, like we discussed earlier on, comes with its own documentation. So you can see what the different homepage options that I have for this particular theme. So I can as well just adopt any of the homepage options and then go along with it. Now if you need to view tutorial for this particular theme, just come back to ThemeForest, click on this link. Okay, so if you scroll down, look at the online documentation. Okay, so this is the online documentation for the theme. Okay, so if there is any part of the theme that you don't understand or anything, you can actually go through this online documentation and see how the theme works. So this is just like a tutorial on how you can use the theme. So for everything you buy, it comes with license, documentation, and then plugins, and then the actual theme itself that will make your site work. So let me just go back to my control panel and install this theme. I'll come to File Manager. Now the reason why I'm installing through my control panel, ideally I should just come to my back end, come to Appearance, Themes. Okay, if I come to Themes, I'm supposed to just click on Add New. Upload theme, and then upload my theme from here. But I noticed that the file size of the theme is quite large and I might not successfully install it from here, so I will just do that directly from my control panel. Now you will notice that when I opened the theme earlier on and I did an extraction, all the contents were just extracted into a particular folder. So see the approach I will use now in installing the theme from my control panel. Okay, so when I click on my file manager, I'll click on public_HTML. Okay, so from here I'll come to WordPress content, then I'll go to themes. Then first I'm going to create a folder and call it Revo. Click on create new folder. Now I'll open that folder and upload the WordPress theme. Now if you check your exercise folder, you will see this theme there. Click on select file, and then I'll navigate to where I have the theme on my system. select the zipped folder and click on open. So I will just hold on. So I will hold on while the file uploads. So if I go back to my backend now, okay, so I have my uploaded file. I will just extract it, click on it, and click on extract files. Okay, so I haven't done that now. If I go back to my backend and I do a refresh, okay, so you can see my Revo theme here, and then I'll just click on activate, and then the theme becomes activated on my main site. So after activating, I'll need to install the plugins. I'll cover that in the next lesson.